All right, guys, today's practice will be page 1.6 from your recording practice journal, which is on page 26. Just like earlier in the week, you guys are going to be doing odds only. And once again, I have a tweak to the instructions. So we want to get practice on both, especially since I think methods such as the cake method work really well for finding both greatest common factor and least common multiple. So I'm altering these instructions as well to not only say least common multiple, but also greatest common factor. And just like I said last time, you are free to use whatever strategy you would like to use as long as your work is shown. All right, so once again, let's walk through an example. Hopefully we are becoming masters at this. So I have 3 and 8. I'm going to use my favorite method, the cake method, and I think about common factors. So right off the bat, I know that 3 is one of my main prime numbers, which means nothing's going to go into that other than 1 in itself. So I know one of their common factors would be 1. So that would leave me with, remember my G is my vertical column, the greatest common factor of 1, and then the least common multiple of 1 times 3 times 8, which is going to be 24. Okay, I'll do one more example for you. You don't have to do number 2 since it's even, but I'm going to walk you through another example for it. Okay, so we have 8 and 14 here. I kind of want to walk you through bigger numbers. I'm actually going to do number 6, which is 14 and 20. So we have 14 and 20 here. So I'm going to think of something that goes into them. I know they're both even. My divisibility rules tell me 2 goes into any even number. So this turns into 7 and 10. 7 is one of my main prime numbers, so I know nothing else goes into that. So once again, this vertical column would be my G, so my greatest common factor would be 2. And my least common multiple would be 2 times 7 times 10. 2 times 7 is 14, and 14 times 10 would be 140. All right, so those are those for you. So go ahead and walk through the rest of these examples, and hopefully you'll be all set up for success. And don't forget to submit your answers into the Google form. Thanks. Odds only.